In my video guide, I will provide you with detailed instructions that will help you to remove the adware, which is called EngineInfo. EngineInfo is a special adware type application designed solely for Mac computers, and it specifically attacks Mac browsers, Safari, Google Chrome, and Firefox. EngineInfo adware, once installed, starts showing the great portion of intrusive advertisements that are not related to the sites that you visit. Often these ads are displayed on top of other content that you might be interested in, and definitely ads by EngineInfo prevent you from properly perceiving the content online. EngineInfo adware may also redirect your search queries through random websites, and also EngineInfo may collect some browsing related data. In other words, it works as spyware too. So to remove it, check your applications through Finder. If you find this EngineInfo on the list, right click on it and move it to the trash. Finally, my recommendation is that you also research your Mac computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get its fresh version on the website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and then begin researching and investigating your computer. This is the way Combo Cleaner looks like. It is initially in the trial mode. Click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, after you start the application for the first time, it should update its anti-malware database, and this is of course crucial for proper detection of any malware. Speaking about the free features in the trial mode, they are Disk Cleaner, Big Files, and Duplicates. Even with these three free features, the performance of your computer will be essentially improved. At the end of the scanning, the program Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their exact locations, and we recommend that you upgrade to Premium. This is the best solution to keep your Mac always protected and free of other malware.